to show you guys how to do a consultation. And Mel, right. Mel is going to have full dreads, or is wanting full dreads and full extensions. So we'll just go through the process. Right. Okay. So first of all, with your hair, it is definitely long enough for extensions. I'm not so sure about this side bit. I think it might be a little bit too short. I mean, it's
I could get an extension.
Oh, we could do it. Yeah, we could smash it. But other than that, it looks pretty long enough, which is cool.
Thickness? So, what hair? Fine hair?
She's got quite fine, soft hair, not a lot of it. This is, I mean, you know, usually we'd ask for probably, I don't know, what is that? 15 centimetres in length.
If we were doing just full dreads without extensions.
But with extensions, you can, you know, afford to go.
Mel, what kind of extensions are you thinking? Synthetic, wool, human hair?
Prefer human, but depends on what you guys would
we can do all.
Well, firstly, I'm going to show you a size ring. This is our size ring, guys, which you all would have.
What a fabulous size ring.
Well, it's all. Anyway, so what size? I mean, obviously, I would not go.
No.
That's actually impossible. So that's the pencil size. That's like, you know, standard size that most people choose, or straw size.
Yeah, probably pencil, but not too fast with it.
Yeah, I mean, basically, the thinner that you go in dread style, in dread size, sorry, and the longer your hair, the more it costs, because it takes a bit longer. So with straw, it does cost a little bit more, and as you're getting extensions, it can become quite costly. But we can do anything that you want. I'm just saying that. So pencil good. Yeah. You're still going to end up with quite a lot of dreads, because people often think that volume is created by having big dreads. It's not. It's having lots of little ones. Yeah. So to do your full dread job, just to start without the extensions, we would charge $560. Yep. And then you've got the extensions on top of that. So what I'll do is I'll get to the extensions in a minute, but I'll just tell you a little bit about you know, how we work and blah. Have you been on our website at all? Or?
Yeah.
So you know that we just use a hook and we don't use any clinging waxes, chemicals, blah. As far as, okay, so let's talk washing hair. When you first get them done, we like to say leave them be for about 7 to 10 days. You can't wet dreads every day in the shower like normal hair. Dreads have to stay dry as possible, and you only wet them when you wash them, which is once a week, once a fortnight.